Have you ever been hit with a very high occupational noise? Are you uncomfortable working in high noise areas? Did you suffer from overexposure to workplace noise? Long-term exposure to high noise level can result to tinnitus, a constant ringing or buzzing noise in the ears, reduced productivity at work, inability of workers to perform optimally as required, sleep disorder, inability to have proper sleep, or at what case, induced hearing loss, a situation of total loss of hearing. According to Occupational Safety and Health Administration, if you work in an environment that has an excessive workplace noise of 85 decibels or more over an 8-hour period, it is strictly recommended that you invest in noise reduction equipment such as earplugs, earmuffs, headphones for your ear protection. How to wear a foamable earplug correctly. Soften the foamable earplug with your fingers until it takes the shape of a cylinder. Use your other hand to pull up your earlobe so that it exposes the ear canal. Gently insert the foamable earplug into your ear until it fits perfectly. Hold until the foamable earplug expands to fill up the canal of the ear. Repeat same method for the other ear. For maximum ear protection, it is recommended to use the earplugs and earmuffs together.